left our home, dreams inside, chasing stars, hearts so light. Canada's beauty, wild and free.
Welcome to the Runner's Adventures, where everything's a brand new chapter. Living, loving, learning, hand in hand, exploring the world so grand.
Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel, The Ramirez Adventures. Good morning or good evening, wherever in the world you may be. Welcome, and we are so glad you're here. So for today's video, pupunta lang tayo ng Shedia kasi magpipikapin lang tayo ng food. Later on, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung in-order ko. And then, may pupuntahan tayo na bagong open na Filipino store. Later, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung nabili namin doon. After that, I'm gonna take you to like a short grocery trip. So stay tuned and enjoy the view. Oh, Papa. Can you down now? Here we're going to the highway. That's good. Si Muffin, guys, is ang hilig talaga niyang mag-anos dito sa window. I think lahat ng dogs yata is gusto nilang nakadungaw sa window. Pero si Muffin is extra. Gusto niya talagang makaano siya. Naka-tiptoe, nakapatong siya. Para yung point of view niya is on top talaga. So yan. Are you enjoying your view, Lovey? It's positive 1 degree today. It's sunny. So, okay yung panahon natin ngayon. Walang snow. So, natunaw na yung ice. Nung last na yung snow. I think Wednesday and Thursday. So, guys, we're on our way to Shedia. It's another town here in New Brunswick, which is basically a 30-minute. It's a 30-minute drive. So, may pipick upin lang tayong food. So, we'll take you along with us in this trip. Update you later. Tingnan niyo si Muffin, guys, oh. Every time mag-stop yung car is gusto niya magpa-open ng window. But we can't because we're on the highway. Malakas yung ano na. Muffin, can you sit down? We can't open the key. No, we can't open. Say hi to the vlog, my love. Sige, sit. We will open the window later lang, ha? Sige na, sit na. Na-open na namin yung window. Kita niyo ba siya? Yan, nakalabas yung ulo niya. Nakastop kasi yung car. Gusto niya yung sun. Yan. Are you having fun, my love? Huh? No traffic there. A lot of people are out from their houses because it's sunny, so they're making the most out of the sunny day. So from Moncton, so papunta na kami ng Dieppe na dito pa na. Tapos from Dieppe is diretso na sa Shedia. So currently, dito tayo sa Veterans Highway. Ito yung access road na papuntang Shedia from Moncton. So this is still part of Dieppe. So Moncton may tatlong towns. So Moncton proper, and then there's Riverview, town of Riverview, and then Dieppe. So dito tayo sa Dieppe. And then yung airport din ng Moncton is dito din sa Dieppe. So ito yung usual route namin ni Daddy like 6 years ago. Kasi sa Dieppe kami nag-work before. Alright, so yung pipick upin pala natin na food mamaya guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Pero masarap. pinuntahan natin na daan is ano siya. On the way to Shediac, it's one way going there. And then on the other side, meron yung daan doon. So one way. Mas safer siya pag ganito. Pero lang, masyadong malakas magpatakbo yung mga cars. You have to be very careful. Alright, and we are officially entering Shediac. Dito na kami sa Shediac, guys. Malapit lang. So, yung kung nakikita niyo dyan, mga ano yan, usually pine trees, mga kahoy-kahoy. Walang mga buildings. Yan yung kagandahan dito sa New Brunswick. No? Nature. Very good for nature lovers, and then fresh air. Yan. And then, itong town ng Shediac, guys, is ang daming tourist na nagpupunta doon or dito sa Shediac because famous destination siya for summer because of its warm water sa beach. Although hindi siya white sand, but warm yung water. So palagi din kami nagpupunta doon pag summer. And then yung yung beach is punong-puno talaga. The only downside is we can't bring muffins sa beach because it's not allowed. So dogs, any pets are not allowed. But we found like a beach that you can bring dogs. Not in Shediac, but not sure, Puktush or what's that? Puktush or I don't know, I forgot already. So nakalimutan ko lang yung name, guys, but I'll update you some other time with my succeeding videos. Okay, and dito na tayo sa Shediac proper. Ito yung main street ng Shediac, guys. Right, so we're here na. Dito yung dito matatagpuan yung giant lobster. So ayan natapos na ni Muffin, but you can see on the other video sa camera. And then yung dagat is hindi na frozen, but it's still not time for fishing kasi malamig pa, wala pang isda. Muffin is really having fun. Di ba na-traffic tayo dito sa Shediac? Welcome to downtown Shediac. Baba, are you okay? There's a Baba walking, my love. Oh, look. Oh, there's another Baba there. Looky. Alright, so guys, napick up na natin yung food na in-order natin. Papakita ko sa inyo yung mamaya. And then right now, we are on our way to another Filipino store, restaurant. May bago kasi siyang open na bubble tea cafe restaurant. So let's go there and support. Hello guys, papunta na kami ng wharf. Ibisitahin muna natin yung wharf ng current situation. If pwede na pang mag-fishing kasi mag-fishing tayo sometime in the summer. No, we cannot. Why not? I still have a lot of bait. We ordered. Favorite kong mag-fishing kahit na walang fish. Hello guys! Nandito na tayo sa wharf. Shediac Wharf. Hindi na frozen yung dagat. Tingnan nyo dito. Ang ganda ng tanawin. Very peaceful. So dito kami nag-fishing pag summer. And then I think may nagbabalak na mag-fishing dito. Pero ano guys, cold pa talaga siya. It's still really cold and it's windy today. So yeah. What are you doing, Moy? Huh? Napakaganda talaga na sikat ng araw. It's 4 o'clock na dito guys. And ganyan ka-sunny. So I'm not sure if may huli si Kuya dyan. So yan lang muna ang ating ganap for today. I'm going inside the car now because it's very cold. Hello guys, welcome to the vlog. There's mother with her, what's her name, Mama? Matcha bubble tea. And then there's my baby girl with the culoters hair. My pretty daughter. Mga kapakuyan guys. Papaligiran tayo ng mga kapakuyan dito. It's the highway by the way. So this is the other side. Because later, pakita ko sa inyo yung papunta pa tayo ng Shediac. Ngayon is pabalik na tayo na mountain. So magka-grocery lang tayo sa Delis sa Walmart. Kumusta naman ang araw ninyo? I hope you're making the most out of your weekend. So yun lang talaga yung ganap namin every weekend guys. Lumalabas kami as much as possible kasi gusto din namin ma-enjoy si Muffin, like outdoors or walk, and then konting groceries lang din. So I think yun yung usual routine naman natin, grocery. Okay, nandito na tayo sa Walmart guys. Just hello guys, may nagtatago dito sa may banda. Nakita niyo yan siya guys. Sa kuan? Brown sugar man tong ako akong gi-order ya. Oh yeah, my chocolates dito guys on sale. On sale, but I'm not sure if that's the regular price or not. Ito yung KitKat. KitKat snack size. Yung mga ice creams nila dito guys is naka-sale. Kuha lang tayo ng hagitan. Ang Gavi strawberry, this is my favorite. And then this one too. Chocolate caramel brownie. Yan, masarap yun. The other flavor that we got is this one, strawberry cheesecake, my ultimate favorite. And the chocolate caramel brownie. Okay, so kuha din tayo ng milk. Expiry is April 12. Oh, kanina. Tako rasa kay nadugay kay mahurot. May lang ni kay Always fresh. Napamangka dito kamay. Yeah. Okay ra ako rin may nakasale sila dito ng items guys. This one is popcorn chicken. And then meron dito chicken bites and chicken strips. Siguro this one lang muna. Let's try it masarap. Interesting guys. So meron ito. Eggplant niya. Indian daw ni guys. Mga circle version eh. Tapos may long eggplant. Itong the usual na nakasanayan natin ng mga eggplant. And then ito yung gosh, extra large na eggplant. Meron bang andyan, may ganito bang version ng eggplant dyan sa kuha lang tayo ng corn guys because magluluto tayo ng baka or baboy. Let's see if anong magandang part na makukuha natin. So, I think we will do beef na lang. Meron ito beef bone and shank. Matas ito maraming laman. Let's see. Pili lang tayo mabuti. Actually, hindi ako masyadong marunong pomade, but I'll try my best. I'll get you so that one and this one. This one is good too, right? $10. Then this one is 11. So let's get this both. Okay, and I think I'm in the mood to cook let's try breaded pork chop, yung crunchy na pork chop. Yung mga meats namin dito guys, other than if you buy it from lean shop talaga, meron pa kayong magkita na may skin. But the ones that's sold in Walmart or Superstore, these are with no skin na sila. So I think we'll get this one. $16 for this. Na magluto tayo ng pork chop. Hey, that's it. Let's see. Kasi gusto ko yung medyo thinly sliced. Ayoko yung medyo makapal yung pagkakahiwa. So maybe just this one na lang. Alright, we're good. Hello guys, sugar cane. Meron kaming sugar cane dito. Amazing. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng sugar cane dito. So let's get some. Ito yung favorite namin na sliced bread. Tapos ito yung kay baby girl na favorite na bread. Guys, so we're looking for peanut butter. Meron na talaga silang indicator. It's made in China. So, punta na lang tayo kasi saan. That's really far. So, obviously, that's not Canada. So, we usually get the chip. But right now, we'll just stick with the made in Canada. Support Canadian products. So, I think this is good. Kakatapos lang natin mag-grocery guys. Yung YMCA North Branch. May dalawang YMCA dito sa London. The other one is nandun sa downtown. So mag-walking lang kami before kami umuwi ng bahay. So tingnan dito sa mga tao dito is very active talaga sila pag sun yung magic. Si Muffin, no? Palagi talaga siyang How's the weather, mother? Maginaw daw, guys. Okay, and that's it for today's video, guys. Salamat sa pagsama sa amin today. And salamat din sa panonood ng aming vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. Okay, so ito pala yung nabili namin dun sa Sarap store, Filipino store. By the way, ito yung kakanina in-order ko na pinick up namin doon sa Shedia na dinaanan namin. Tapos, bumili tayo ng Spanish sardines. Meron din tayong cassava cake. Saka itong mochi. Assorted flavor, hindi ko pa na-try ito. But hopefully, this is good. And then, there's a yama cake. And the pancit canton. Okay, so yun lang guys ang ating haul for today. The señorita is laying down on the floor. Does she wanna belly rub by the moon?